Not all lettuce is created equal. From crispy and crunchy to soft and buttery, these are the top 5 most popular lettuce varieties people love around the world, each with its own flavor, texture, and personality. Number 5. Merlot. Known for its deep burgundy leaves and mild, slightly sweet flavor. Perfect for adding rich color and texture to fresh salads or garden mixes. Number 4. Red leaf lettuce. Colorful, tender leaves with a mild, sweet flavor. Great for salads, sandwiches, and adding a pop of color. Number 3. Butterhead lettuce. Soft, tender leaves with a smooth, buttery texture. Perfect for wraps, sandwiches, and fresh salads. Number 2. Iceberg lettuce. Famous for its crisp crunch and mild flavor. Perfect for burgers, sandwiches, tacos, and fresh salads. Number 1. Romaine lettuce. One of the most popular lettuce varieties in the world. Crisp, crunchy, and famous for Caesar salads. Easy to grow and full of fresh flavor. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time as we explore some of the top tomato varieties.